To get the most out of insights within PolyLens, it's important to assign devices to their respective sites. There are two ways to assign a device to a site: manually or automatically using private IP addresses. Manual configuration is mainly used for smaller deployments or when you need to make slight adjustments to the site. Select the Management tab, then Inventory. In the left navigation, select Site Filter and select Unassigned. You may find it helpful to also choose online or offline. Select your device of choice. Select Edit. From here, you can adjust to assign a site and a room name if desired. Save your changes. To ensure the device has been added to the site, go to the Site menu. And select the assigned site. Your device should appear in the site. For larger deployments, or if you'd like to automate this process, you may do so by assigning these sites through device IP addresses. Select Manage, and then a site to associate devices. Under the Settings menu, you will select Device Association to define the IP subnet range for devices you wish to associate with the site. Once the IP addresses are defined, any newly onboarded devices or existing devices currently in the unassigned site within the subnet range will automatically be associated. Don't forget to hit Apply. This has been a tutorial on how to manually and automatically add devices to your assigned site.